Are you tired of your freelance finances looking like a tangled mess of spreadsheets and random bank transfers? You're not alone. The line between personal and business spending gets blurry, tracking expenses for taxes is a nightmare, and you never really know how much of your money is actually profit. It's a universal freelance struggle. But what if you could have a business bank account that was actually built for how you work? One that helps you organize your money without a ton of manual work? That's where Relay comes in. Relay is a business banking platform designed to bring clarity and control to your freelance finances. Think of it less as a traditional bank and more as a financial operations hub. So let's talk about how you, as a freelancer, can use Relay to totally transform your money management. First, and this is a game changer, Relay lets you open up to 20 individual checking accounts. Why does this matter? Because of something called the Profit First method. Instead of all your money pooling into one giant account, you can create separate accounts for specific purposes. You can have one account for income, one for taxes, another for operating expenses, and a fourth for your actual profit. Every time a client pays you, you simply transfer the funds into each of these buckets based on a set percentage. This makes it instantly clear how much money you have for each category. No more guessing, no more overspending on supplies when you should be saving for taxes. Second, the bookkeeping becomes an absolute breeze. Relay integrates directly with top accounting software like QuickBooks Online and Xero. Every transaction is automatically synced, categorized, and ready for you or your bookkeeper. And if you're a one-person show, you can even upload receipts and add notes right in the app. This saves you so much time and stress when it comes to tax season. Third, say goodbye to reimbursement chaos. Relay allows you to create up to 50 physical or virtual debit cards and assign them to specific accounts. This is perfect for paying for different business expenses. You can have one card for software subscriptions, another for marketing spend, and they can be tied directly to your designated expense accounts. It's the ultimate way to track spending and keep a clean audit trail. Finally, let's talk about the cost. Relay's basic plan has no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements, and no fees for common transactions like ACH payments. This means you get all of these powerful financial tools without the overhead of a traditional business bank account. So if you're a freelancer looking to take control of your cash flow, simplify your bookkeeping, and truly understand your business's financial health, Relay is an incredibly powerful tool. With its ability to create multiple accounts, seamless accounting integrations, and zero fee structure, it's banking that works as hard as you do. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.